Hi there everyone, good afternoon. This is Market Fatafat and I'm Avan Dabash. As you all know, this is the show where we get you a countdown of all the stocks that are buzzing away in trade. It's fast, it's furious and of course very informative. Let's bring on board our guests who are joining in on the show right now. We have with us Amar Singh of Angel Broking on the technicals, and as always our entire team of research analysts standing by to give you all of the stocks that you need to keep. Meantime, let's focus in on some of those pharma stocks that are clearly making waves, and Strides is a stock that's seeing a very smart move.
Yeah, overall, looking at Strides, what we are seeing is that Strides has formed a base, and somewhere around 340, 350, it's formed a very strong base, and technically it's bullish on charts, and there's bullish divergence being seen. So yes, any pullback can be used as a buying opportunity. Upside, the stock, once it trades above 400, we could see 420-25 levels.
Moving right on to a stock that is under pressure from the OMC basket, and that's HPCL. It's been so volatile of late. Amar, where are you placing your targets and stop losses?
Overall, HPCL, what we are witnessing is that it continues to be in a sell mode, and any pullback is being used as a shorting opportunity. So the levels to watch out is on the support side it is 294, whereas on the resistance side it's around 314.
Moving right on to VIP, what's the call from Angel Broking, Amar?
Yeah, overall, VIP continues to trade at record highs, and technically it's very strong on the charts, be it the long term or the short term. And once it took out the 425 levels resistance, it's moved significantly higher. So that now becomes as a very crucial support. Whereas on the upside, 460, 65, that should act as an immediate resistance level. But any pullback should be used as a buying opportunity.
Bajaj Finance, meantime, should pull up that stock and see what it's up to in trade today. It's managing to hold out by about 1%. What a consistent mover this one has been. Let's talk long-term charts. Based on your reading, Amar, as far as the eye can see, what would you like to advise on Bajaj Finance? Stay invested?
Yeah, Bajaj Finance, definitely those who are on the long side, they should hold, because the trend definitely remains extremely strong across different time frames. So the levels to watch out for on the downside is 2170, 2190. That's a very strong support zone. Whereas on the upside, one can look at around 2380 on the upside.
Moving right on to oil marketing companies, and let's check in on IOC. That stock too is down and out in trade today. Amar, what are you reading on the chart? Are you seeing any sort of a decisive movement? Do you think that the selling pressure is here to stay for IOC?
I would say that it definitely seems to be trading in a range, and upside 175, 180, that should act as an immediate very strong resistance. Whereas on the downside, 160, 163, that should act as a support. So it's gone in a range and is likely to trade in a range for some time now.
And it's time out on our second edition of Market Fatafat. Thanks as always to the entire team who decided to leave, as well as Amar for joining in on the show. With that, it's a wrap. We've got closing trades tracking all the market actions.